That's right, people. You're gonna read the title. You're gonna read the title of this video. Oh my gosh. Another day, another reaction video. Oh boy! What am I getting myself into? It's another SpongeBob YouTube poop. Why? I have no clue. But anyway. What is going on, guys? This is LerricusSlender16 here. And we're back with this abomination. That's right, people. We're gonna be listening to Spingebill assembles a team of idiots. Oh my god. This is gonna be one of the weirdest videos I'm ever gonna watch on YouTube. Judging by the title of the video, it is going to be quite a weird video. So I guess we're gonna be reacting to this video. So also, wait a minute. Before we start this video, let's see you guys hit that subscribe button. I want to see you guys. I'm gonna look into the eyes of the camera. Even though this video is gonna be released before after I say this, but I'm looking into your eyes. Did you guys subscribe? But anyway, what am I even doing? But anyway, this is gonna be Spingebill assembles a team of idiots. Oh, and this is by I forgot the YouTuber's name. Lord Alexander Robot 5? Cause I see a letter V here. So I'm assuming, or unless this is a re-upload of the original YouTube poop. Oh, and this video is age restricted. Oh my god. Oh my god. So yeah, prepare for some adult humor. Yep. Downward spiral. What is that? Did I just say gay mermaid man? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Let's continue. Despicable Me 3. Oh! Oh! What is up with Squidward's face? Everyone is on crack. Oh my god, what am I watching? What am I watching? What am I watching? Oh, I saw that. Excuse me? Excuse me? Can I go back and see what that was? What is wrong with Mermaid Man? Mermaid Man is I guess Mermaid Man is so shocked by Barnacle Boy's. Okay, now don't worry about it. That was a bad joke. That's a bad joke. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for making that bad joke. I'm so sorry. Oh, what did I just see? Wait. Sorry about that. No! 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 I can't show that word. I can't put that on YouTube, man. No! 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 What is this? You throw Ocean Man at me? Don't get me copyrighted, you douche nozzles. What the heck is wrong with this? Edgy side. No. Please no. No. No! 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 Stop it! ISIS? What? Oh my god. Venom? Wow, roasted. Oh my god. No. No. Oh. No. Oh no. What am I watching? What is wrong with this YouTube poop? I'm not even close to finishing up the video. God dang it! No! What? Really? Seriously? 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 That's not funny. That's oh my god. Oh my god. What am I even watching? Can I go back? Actually, well, no. Actually, no. Let's not. I don't want to get. I do not want to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble by YouTube. Why is Shrek in the background?
Hey man, that's not cool.
Oh, dang. Yo. No! That's the... Yo! This is gonna be great. Yo! Yo! This is amazing! This is great! Yo! Yo! This is amazing. What were you talking about skipping later on in the video? This is great. Wow. This is well animated. This is so well done. This is so well done. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry for the pausing. This part of the video is actually well done. Actually, yeah, good job. Yeah, good job with the animation so far. This looks so good. And I'm not lying. That's actually impressive. But still, I don't understand why you use the Avengers Earth's Mightiest Hero theme song. I don't know why you use that during this fight, but it's whatever. I mean, I actually, now that I think about it, I think it actually does make sense, actually. Okay. Alright. Oh! I actually know, okay. I know a lot of people may not know this. That background is the rocks in the background are from the SpongeBob movie game. That's from the movie game. How did you... Dude. Whoever made this video, how did you do that? How did you implement the movie game assets in here? That's impressive. I'm actually very impressed with this YouTube poop. Alright, let's keep going. Yo! Yeah, come on, Mermaid Man! Ooh, ooh. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no! I like that, actually. Oh! That was funny. The one scene from the Mermaid Man and Particle Point 3 episode. That was funny. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yo! Yo! Sponge tornado! How does Squidward know the Kamehameha? How? How does Squidward know the Kamehameha? You guys saw that? You guys saw that? You guys see that? Yeah, you see that, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's keep going. Oh, Barnacle Boy. Uh-oh. Is Barnacle Boy using the spirit bomb? Oh my gosh. Viewer mail. What am I listening to? Yo. Why was there a picture of Samus? No. Seriously? Stop getting me copyrighted! Oh god. No! Whoa! No. Stop. Stop getting me copyrighted here. That actually scared the living crap out of me. Oh my god. That actually scared the crap out of me. Alright. Yeah. Don't get me copyrighted! What's going on? Seriously? You already used the joke. You already used the 666 joke. You can't do that twice. It's not gonna work. Alright, I should not comment on the video, but anyway. Let's keep going. Why is Patrick blue? Oh, same thing with SpongeBob. What the? No! I saw that! What the? What was that? Who are you? Who are you? Who is that at the end? That looked like a character from Hazbin Hotel or something. I don't know. I gotta jog. That video was effed up on so many levels. How much stuff am I gonna have to censor in this video? There's a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to potentially there's a lot of stuff I gotta censor out, but that was actually a pretty funny YouTube poop. I don't know if it's as funny compared to the previous one, Mr. Krabby Avenges Pearl Harbor. I think I still like the previous video a little better. But this one has a lot of adult jokes to it. Oh, and also, yeah, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video. For kids that are watching, that click on this video, do not watch this, okay? It's not your classic SpongeBob. This is not your classic SpongeBob. There's a lot of adult humor in this video, so please do not click on this video if you are grossed out with it. But for safety measures for kids under like 7 or 18 years or whatever, just don't watch this video. Don't click this video if you're underage. Don't. But either way, I've been talking for a little bit now. So that was Spingebill assembles a team of idiots. Or if you guys want to watch this, I'm gonna have to do quite a lot of censoring in this video, just to remove a lot of the naughty words. But anyway, so that was Spingebill assembles a team of idiots. It's still a funny YouTube poop video. It's still funny, but I don't think it was as funny as the previous video. But anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, click the thumbs up, and if you're new as well, subscribe. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure to subscribe. And like I said, at the beginning, I will be watching the camera for a few seconds to make sure you click that subscribe button. I mean it. Anyway, well, all right. So either way, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.